snow is as high as the gate. It's February 10th, 2010. They call this the worst blizzard and the largest blizzard the state of Maryland has ever seen. 96 was the biggest, and this surpassed that. 96 was like, they say Q went the year that got 64 inches of snow. This, as of today, and more to count, 66 inches and counting. It's a mess. Look at the gate, as high as the gate. Made a path there the other day. Uh, Looks like it shouldn't be covered again. And as you can see, poor people across the street shoveled their cars all day yesterday, the day before that, just to do. And it's all messed up again. Oh, what are you gonna do? Telling cars to stay off the road, but it doesn't seem like nobody's listening. Visibility is terrible. And if that wasn't nothing, 45 to 50-mile-an-hour winds. What you're seeing now is snow coming down, but it's not coming down. It's blowing off the roofs and the trees from the wind. There's no more snow actually coming down. It's this wind, the snow you're seeing is coming off roofs and trees from the wind. Because wind's about 40 to 45-mile-an-hour winds out there. That's all I have to say. Take care.